Yeah, it's like this. It's a t-shirt, but it stretches so well, and I just love it. Hi beauties, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are seeing my face for the first time, you are highly welcome. My name is Sylvia. I'm a YouTuber based in Russia. As some amazing returnees, thank you all so much for always coming back to support your baby girl. I love you guys so far. In today's video, I'll be taking you guys with me to shop. I'm going now to shop for tops. Yeah guys, I'm going to get 1 or 2 tops today. It's pretty cold over here in Russia, and I need some top for this weather, like t-shirts and all that. So I want to carry you guys along. I'm going to do small. I've actually vlogged more for you guys before, so when I come back, I will just do mini unboxing for you guys, showing you the things that I got from the shop. So guys, let's go. So guys, I am here, but I'm going to Burger King first. I'm so famished, and I have to eat 1 burger or 2 before going for my shopping today. So let's go guys. Let me take you guys with me to Burger King. Let's go and eat. This is one of my favorite shops now, Love Republic. Yeah, I'm not going there today because their things are usually expensive, as we all know. So I don't budget for that. We will be going to Be Free or Reserve, or maybe Gloria Jeans, I don't know. So guys, I'm in Burger King. Yeah, I want to place my order. Guys, the only good thing here is that in Burger King, where you buy food like this, they don't serve you your drink. You just come to the machine and you take your drink yourself, and you have the chance to also refill. If maybe you finish this very one, you want to refill again, you won't pay for that anymore. You just come here and refill, just as I'm doing it. Yeah guys, so that is the benefit of buying from Burger King. Yeah. So guys, I'm here, and I think I'll be going for things like this because it's cold time. This is crop top, but it's sweater and it feels good. Let me give you guys a little tour of the shop. Yeah, so this is it. It's a very big shop, very big. These are sections for other wears and all that. Yeah, on sales guys. So anyone you see with this red and white, yeah, on sales. Yeah. Yeah. So guys, yeah, a lot of skits. Summer is over, so they are selling everything on discounts. This skirt is for how much? Guys, you see, initially it was 1,399, which is 1,400, but now it's just for 400 ruble, 1,000 ruble minus. So the on sales guys. Oh my word, I love this. I love this. I'll catch up with you guys later. So far, I left the other shop. I decided to come to Be Free because I'm yet to see any top of my choice. So hopefully I will see the kind of top that I want. Yeah, this is Be Free. And guys, Be Free, they are doing mad discounts. Like when you buy 3, you take 6. Like buy 3, get 3 for free. See, business strategy. These people, they're wise. They won't come finish person money. Buy 3, take 6. Oibo. I guess says die. So yeah, I'm here. Be free.ru, be free.russia. Yeah. So guys, I'll catch up with you guys when I get some. So beauties, I'm back from the shop and I want to do quick unboxing and try off for you guys to see. So I got few things from Be Free. I know I said I would be going for top, but fam, I couldn't go for top or shoe. So I went for 2 tops and 2 trousers. And the first one is this one right here. It's leather and it is olive green color. I will try it on for you guys to see. And this white top, yeah guys, this white top. And third, you guys will see it better. The very last one, it's red trouser, more like a palazzo. Yeah guys, so let me put them all for you guys to see. So guys, this is the first top and it's this black shirt right here guys. This is the back. Let me show you guys. This is it from the back. Yeah, and the olive trouser that I got, the leather one. So I just decided to style it like this to show you guys very well. It fits from the back and front. So yeah, I'm not doing much, just little unboxing. Don't mind my slippers, you know. Yeah, so this is it guys. I love this top so much because it hugs the baby very well. And this trouser, the baby patch just disappeared, everything. And guys, take a good look at this outfit. Like, I love it. Let me show you guys the very last outfit, the red one and the white top. So guys, this is the white top and the red pants. But yeah, look at the top. I decided to put it inside, and yeah, it's like this. It's a t-shirt, but it stretches so well, and I just love it. No details, but yeah, it's cool. It fits and all. It's not so exposed, so it's one thing that I love about the top. Yeah guys, look at it from the back. Yeah, so and this is the front. So as for the red trouser, it's like this. It's palazzo, but my height is the problem, so you guys will just make do with it like this. So this is how it is. So these are the 4 things that I got for Be Free today. And if you watch up till now, don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe. Comment down below if you love these 2 colors, because I so much love this red and white so much. And I will see you guys on my next video. I love you guys. Bye bye.